claim to try to seek to create a new India. This old idea of India is repugnant. Their conception of an Amrit Kal is premised on India belonging only to people of their faith. The India of 1971, the India of Ambedkar, Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, to whom Ishwar and Allah were but different names for the same Almighty. And Gandhiji, don't forget, was shot dead for defending the plural and peaceful idea of India. This appalls our ruling party. Petrified of the power of a united people, they have sought to divide us on communal lines. Why else would the ruling party on the campaign trail this year and last year in 24 launch a savage assault on our republic's religious pluralism? Addressing a rally in Rajasthan, the Prime Minister described Muslims as infiltrators and thundered that when the Congress party was last in power, it made Muslims the foremost recipient of India's resources. He declared that the Congress and its allies would snatch away the Hindu majority's hard-earned wealth and give it to Muslims, sparing not even the Mangal Sutras of their mothers and sisters, and adding that they would redistribute wealth to Muslims, described as those who have more children, and even promote Sharia law. Electoral politics aside, this disgraceful scaremongering about 200 million of his fellow citizens, all of whom he is constitutionally pledged to serve, was in keeping with the Hindu chauvinist doctrine the Prime Minister imbibed in his childhood and youth, and which he sadly reflects. And when the Prime Minister himself leads this reprehensible communal chorus, others, perhaps in a bid to ingratiate themselves with the powers that be, do not remain far behind. Even in some cases, judges and some judges, who are supposed to be the custodians of our rule of law and equality before the law.